Hello students, I am Professor Sudhir Kumar Tewatia. So my introduction is given here. So today we are, uh, I'll solve some PYQs, previous year question of chemistry, first chapter. The name is Basic Concepts of the Chemistry, and in that stoichiometry. So before I start this, I would like to advise you that in at least IIT or even in NEET, chemistry is the subject that makes your entry sure in the exam for the normal or just above average student. Why? Because in chemistry you need not read any other book except for NCERT. If you just read NCERT just thoroughly, so at least 70 to 80% marks in chemistry you will get. If you want to get even more marks, just solve some PYQs with that. And chemistry never deceives you in the exam like physics and math. In physics and math, even if you know the theory, you know the chapters, the numericals may be twisted in a way that in spite of knowing theory and other things and in spite of your study, you may not be able to understand or attempt those numericals. But in chemistry, numericals are very simple and it is mostly based on the knowledge. So let's start with the PYQs. So first, this is the question of JEE Advanced 2014. By this question itself, when I just solve it, you will mark the difference that in numerical of physics and in numerical of mathematics, compared to that, this numericals in chemistry are very, very simple. So compound H2X with molar weight of 80 gram is dissolved in a solvent having density of 0.4 gram per milliliter. Assuming no change upon dissolution, the molality of 3.2 molar solution is how much? So this molality is how much? Molar is given. So what is given in the solution in this question? In this question it is given there is no change in volume upon dissolution. That means V solvent equal to V solution, almost equal to. So 1 liter of solvent is equal to 1 liter of solution. Second, density, solvent density is given 0.4 gram per milliliter. That means it is given 0.4 gram. 0.4 gram per milliliter. So that means 0.4 gram per centimeter. That means 0.4 into 1000 divided by 1000 equal to 0.4 kg per liter. No need to explain 1 milliliter. That means in 1 liter there are 1000 milliliter and 1 kilogram there are 1000 grams. So density is 0.4 kg per liter. So the mass of per liter of solvent, mass of 1 liter of solvent is 0.4 kg. What is molarity? Just by definition, molarity is moles per liter. So how many moles per liter given? 3.2, and weight of the 1 liter of solvent 0.4 kg. So molality is equal to moles divided by mass of solvent, or moles per kg. So 3.2 moles in 0.4 kg, that means divide it 8. Divide 3.2 by 4, 0.4. That gives you 8. So molality of the solution is 8. That's all.